Okay, so I should be live now. Yep, there's my live now. Oop. Shut up, YouTube. No! Oh my god. I'm trying to copy the stream link. Alright. Everything should be good now. Alright, well, it took me a lot of work to get this stuff, but I finally found everything that I was looking for to play these demos, and much more. I don't know if I'm going to be covering things other than the demos, but my goal is to at least get everything documented into one video or one live stream. If there are any problems with the live stream at a later point, then I'll probably just redo it in a recording and edit out whatever YouTube has a problem with. But for right now, that doesn't seem to be a problem to me, so whatever. Fucking Project 64 is not showing me these ROMs in a good way. Oh my god, this is horrible. H. Yes, H. But I also like E. I just need to fix something real fast. The Space World demo. Alright. I'm just gonna also point out that I don't know every single thing about the leak. Correct me if I'm wrong, but wasn't the Space World demo, assuming we're talking Gen 2, wasn't that from, like a while ago? Because to me it seemed like it's just the same thing as we saw earlier. Before. I could be wrong. I don't know. Alright, so this first one is called Block Monkey. I just gotta make sure it's being captured on my... No, it's not being captured. Where is it? Oh, that's why it's not being captured. There we go. Problem solved. Also, wow, that is smooth frame rate. Jeez. Oh, well. How did I get the blocks to change? Oh, that's how. Oh man. Okay, so let me look in this text file. Wait, is it autofill program? Oh, that's weird. The text file says that there's a thing called autofill, but I'm looking in the folder that I got and it doesn't have that. So I don't know where it is. That's really strange. Anyways, for Block Monkey, it says this is an application that measures a simple performance. A user can change the size of a display list or parameters and confirm the effect when rendering. Operation instructions for the controller are displayed on the host screen when the application is executed. The graph of performance measurement on the lower screen shows the time needed to render a polygon. The CPU processing time needed to create a display list is not calculated. This is not to slow down the animation even when it cannot catch up with the next frame. To me, this just means lag the N64 and then die. Oh my god, how many squares? Oh. Oh. Apparently pressing B does this. Now see, the weird thing is that I have to use the right stick on my Pro controller, the Switch Pro controller, to change some of this stuff, but it's like up and down changes the floor, and then left and right changes the cube. I have to press it every time. Alright, let's open the next thing. Bump map. So there's another person that was uploading stuff for this, and people have been saying this is supposedly not a bump map. If it isn't, then, well, I don't know. Goddamn, I guess. This is a sample Okay, that might happen a few times throughout this presentation. Okay, as I was saying, so the text file says, this is a sample program of bump mapping. For details, refer to the README in the bump map sample program. Okay. I don't know where that is. Cool. Does anything happen? No. Okay, well, I guess it's just the moon. And then that's it. Moving on. CI8FB. Even though there's another thing in the text file that's skipped in my folders, I don't know what happened there. What am I looking at? This is just one color. Okay. This sample program is similar to autofill. Rendering is processed using 8-bit color index. For details, refer to the README for the CI8FB sample program. This sample program changes the number and size of all triangles displayed on screen at the same time. What triangles? Okay. I don't think this one works. That's weird. Yeah, I'm curious. Is it just not working in general? Or is there like a video that this one guy has that actually shows it working? I haven't found anything. Yeah, no, there's nothing. So this probably just doesn't work in general. Alright, next one's detail. Well, it is what it is, I suppose. Hey, Kylo. Alright, LMAO, what is this? Yeah, what is this? Oh, God. I moved the stick, and it's... Oh, what the hell? Why is it like this? Wanky ass camera. I can't even describe how this feels. Oh my god. Doesn't feel good to control, that's for sure. So, I guess this is somehow detail. Oh man, look at that. Detail of the N64, baby. Oh, pressing start stops the camera from moving. Oh, using the D-pad actually... Oh, it moves it. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, I think I've lost everything. Oh, wait, no, there it is. There it is! Oh. This is the wankiest feeling controls I've ever felt in my life. Oh my god. Oh, stop! No! Oh my god. Anyways, what does the notepad say about this? This is just called detail. Let's see detail. Oh, there it is. This is a sample program which explains how to use the multi-tiling texture. This demonstrates the detailed texture and MIP map texture as well. Okay. Well, that's detail. Next one's called EEP test. Why is it not opening? I think the emulator crashed. Hey, Pokesaurus. Wow. Okay, so that crashed the emulator apparently. Oops. Now I gotta wait 30 seconds for this stupid program because they want me to pay money to fucking skip the 30-second wait. And I say no, screw that. Alright, we'll try EEP test one more time. And, yeah, it crashes my emulator. It don't work. Oh, isn't that fun? Now I gotta wait like another 20 seconds. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Hopefully this next one doesn't crash. Fault. This one's called fault. It better not cause a fault in the program. Oh my god, it crashed the emulator! No! Jesus. Everything is just not working. Decided to download Legos Worlds again last night and see if it still had major lag issues. This fucking neck. I don't think I got it. Damn it. Nowhere near as much, but the camera controls are still wonky. Lego Worlds. It's not like a Lego game that released this console generation. I don't know. Okay, Phil. Son of a bitch. It crashed. I'm gonna have to include timestamps when I'm done streaming this, because, oh man, this sucks. I didn't know a lot of these were gonna actually just straight up crash the emulator. Okay, Flash. Please don't crash. It fucking crashed. Why? How many of these have crashed? Like, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row crashed. You've got Star Wars Episode 1 Racer on the list. My friend sent me a copy from Steam, but the problem is there is no controller support. It's a racing game. How do you play it with a keyboard? How do I play on the keyboard? I don't know. Sorry, I'm a little confused if you're like trying to say that I have it on my list, or if you're just like saying it differently. It's on my list. Bottom. What? Hold on. My list. Oh, don't add my own live stream to the queue. Stupid YouTube. Okay, I'm looking. Oh. I didn't realize that was showing. Well, not like it's a big deal or anything. Oh, okay, well, now I know what you're talking about. Honestly, I think at one point I was going to do like a live stream kind of thing with this, but then I guess I forgot about it, maybe? I don't know. I don't know why I got a bunch of these stupid ROMs. I mean, I know why I got Ronaldinho's Soccer 64. I was doing a meme thing with it yesterday. But yeah, no, I haven't even touched that, so I can't really give you any information right now. Alright, please don't crash. Fog World. And it fucking crashed. So many of these crash. Why? Also, no controller support on the Steam version. That sounds kind of weird, because doesn't Steam have like its own kind of controller support thing built into itself? Okay, GB Pack. I don't think this thing gonna work. I don't think GB Pack will work. Yeah, you have to buy the Steam control? No, because like I thought there was a thing in Steam where it straight up has like community posts for different controller setups, including stuff for the Nintendo Switch's Pro controller or the Xbox One or PS4, stuff like that. I don't think you need the Steam controller specifically. I mean, shit, I can use my Switch Pro controller on Steam games, but I don't do it for like stuff that doesn't have native control support, because I don't really see any reason to. But like with Dragon Ball FighterZ, it kind of works, but it's a little broken because it only shows it as an Xbox controller, so I can't use it for Switch control set. Never heard of that. My controller is a Logitech gamepad. I don't know. This fucking gnat. Dude, I swear to God, this gnat has been in my room all morning, and it's pissing me off. A simple same program fences for transfer pack. I'm trying to read this thing, see if there's anything to show. Apparently, if an error occurs, a corresponding message is displayed on the screen. Okay, yeah, we'll see if anything shows up for that. And it crashed. Fuck. You know, I read the warning, and it said that some of them wouldn't work, but so far it seems like the majority of them doesn't work, because I've ran like 5 of these now, and all 5 just instantly crash the emulator. Like, it doesn't even try to run it. So, I don't know what's up with that. Okay, I came back. Alright. Please work. You didn't work, did you? Son of a bitch. Why is so many of these demos broken? I thought the majority of them would at least do something, but no, they just don't do shit. Other than crash my fucking emulator every time. And then I have to wait 30 seconds just to fucking do anything in the emulator. Now I have a couple of tacos from some fucking taco place. Or whatever. Try using a different emulator. That could work, but I don't really know, because Project 64 is supposed to be a really good emulator, so if it's not running these, then chances are the other emulators might not end up working at all. And even if they do, I don't have other emulators at the moment, so we'd have to wait for me to get those emulators to even try them out. Oh crap, I forgot what the last one I ran was, so now it's just a guessing game. I'm gonna try ground next. And it crashed. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna test something here. We're gonna skip to one that should work. And if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna be mad because I tested it earlier and it did work earlier. But I'm getting tired of these freaking demos just crashing. This is like the 6th or 7th one I've tried in a row. I want to actually show shit, not fucking just be like, lol, here's everything. Oh wait, it all crashes. Haha. Or is it? what was it called? It was fucking... Oh my god. I literally completely forgot what it was called. So now I gotta go find it again. Oh, that's what it was called. Okay. Well, why don't I see it in this list? Hello? That's weird. I can't find it in this list, but I swear it was there earlier. Hello? Am I just stupid? Okay, wait. I need to look. Oh, it's in a different folder. Okay. That's why I couldn't find it. Alright, yep, this one fucking works. Finally. So, this is called Mirror House. Basically, the story is, this kid loves cornflakes, and there's apparently a castle full of cornflakes, so he goes into castle and collects cornflakes. They're all the same character, by the way. God, he moves so fast. Yes, cornflakes. I'm not kidding you. Alright, what button? Wait, what? Wait, there's a kill yourself button? What? There's a straight up kill yourself button. Oh, that's the button. Okay. I believe the button is like R. And, basically you press it, and that's what happens. You just get a top view of the maze. And that's it. That's literally all there is. It really doesn't matter what quote-unquote player you select. So yeah, there's a kill yourself button, there's a fucking timer. If the timer runs out, then you get a game over. Videos implied that pressing this would just kill you if you run out of helps. Let's see. No, it doesn't kill you. The camera just doesn't zoom out anymore. It's like, no, fuck you. But so far, this is the most game demo I've seen yet from this whole leak. Whoa, what the fuck? Why is the game music going so fast? Oh, because I'm low on time. See, that's a stupid thing. Technically, you don't run out of time, but you still die. So yeah, this is all the tile screen has to offer, I think. See, I think the really weird part about this whole demo is this one screen right here. This is by far the weirdest part of the demo. I still can't believe there's a kill yourself button. Where are the cornflakes? I'll show you. Okay, sorry, I got interrupted. Anyways, the cornflake is that. That is the cornflake. That is what helps allow you to just kind of have the camera zoom out there. But see, you can't move your character when the camera zoomed out, so there you go. That thing? Yeah, that thing. That's what a cornflake looks like in this game. Anyways, you wanna know what's really stupid about this demo? What's really stupid is that, fucking someone literally speedran this game. And it's sad that they did it first because I had the idea of doing it, but I just didn't know this thing even existed. So I'm a little too late on that, but you know what? I'm gonna fucking speedrun it sometime anyway, because fuck it. Real quick, I'm gonna see if there's anything that's said about this demo. No. Alright, well then, we'll see what else there is here. Hopefully none of this other shit just breaks the emulator all the time. What the fuck is this? A square of color. very cool and good. Whoa. So I moved the left stick, and then this just happens. Oh, pressing buttons happens. So only the stick and the A and B buttons does something here. Oh, that one broke the emulator. That one severely broke it. Time to wait 30 seconds. Alright. We're gonna skip to something that should work again. This is called Top Gun. Well, that's a Top Gun, alright. Well, I have no control over this. Let me see, I'm looking in the text file for anything. Not really anything about this. These demos don't really have much to say in the notepad file I have, which is very strange. And this demo is also very strange too. What is Top Gun Reboot? There's like a Top Gun and then a Top Gun Reboot. Oh. Well, it crashed, so that didn't go very well. Alright, well, that's all I know that works. So, I guess everything from here out is just gonna pray that it works, and if it doesn't, then fuck. Well, that's very strange. So, this demo is called Hello, but nothing is happening. And of course, it appears that the freaking text file included has failed me to even explain anything once again. Unless I just haven't seen it in here. Is there really nothing? There's really nothing in here. Wow. Okay. Well, at least it didn't crash. It just didn't do anything. Okay, what about this one? This one's called Hello World. Once again, fuck all. Oh my god. What about letters? Oh! Finally, something that doesn't crash or do nothing. The world's darkest game. Excuse me. Anyways, that's all this does. I can't do anything. Once again. This is another weird demo. Like, it's one thing to have text, but what is this image? Okay, I think we're back online. That was really strange. Fucking... my OBS glitched. Once again. Surprise, surprise! Yes, OBS sucks. Again. You didn't miss anything. Okay, so after Morph Demo, I tried Morph Faces, and Morph Faces crashed. So if that's all you missed, then that's literally all you missed. It doesn't even let you know if it's screwed up or not unless we say so. Oh, bullshit does indeed suck, so I've seen. Yeah, I don't really understand why OBS doesn't like me. And yet another demo crashed. How lovely. Oh, shit. No, don't do this. Oh, fuck. Be normal, be normal, be normal. Come on. Is it good now? Okay, I think it's good now. Jesus Christ. No! Oh. I'm literally looking at my OBS and I'm just personally watching it having a fucking stroke. Over fucking nothing. It's so stupid. Okay, I think it's stable enough for me to move on here. Okay, this one's just called One Try. Unable to do anything, so this is all you get. Alright, One Try FPAL, which is probably just gonna crash. Oh, it didn't crash. Still can't do anything. Alright. What about one try NOS pack test? Uh-oh. Wait, what? Where's the error? Oh, it fucking gave me an error message, but it crashed on top of that, so nothing's displayed. Wow, good fucking error, huh? Gotta wait for Project 64 for a few more seconds. Come on. And, okay, I'm good now. One try reboot. You know what? I'm not gonna bother. That's probably just gonna crash. What about overlay? It fucking. Oh my god. It crashed. Why is this fucking gnat still in my room? I thought it would have died by now. Okay, this is called PFS. What? Oh, no, don't do this, OBS. Don't do it. OBS, no. Don't do it. Stop. Okay, kill the net. Good, kill the net. Whoa, what? Okay, there is more going on here. What is this called? PFS? According to the notepad, a sample program for the controller pack, you can experiment with checking, creating, and deleting game notes. The control operations are explained below. Control pad left and right. Select game note to create. C-stick up, check the file system. C-stick down, delete game note. C-stick left. Create game note. C-stick right, format the controller pack. A, game note, read test. B, game note, write test, start, reread, and display. This sample program differs from the controller pack menu provided with the application. For a sample controller pack menu, see the provided NOS pack sample program. Please keep the following points in mind when using the sample program with a controller pack that contains game notes created with an actual game. 1. Game notes may be destroyed by a write test or deletion. And 2. Katakana Japanese script is not supported, thus any portion of a note name rendered in katakana will not be displayed. Well, there you go. Alright, let's move on. What the fuck? This one's called Play Sequence. According to the notepad, a sample program using the sequence player In the header file playSequence.h, the following two types of max voices are defined. Inserted with blah blah blah. Max voices indicates the number of physical voices of the synthesizer and the number of virtual voices of the sequence player. The greater the number of voices, the greater the number of sounds that can be played simultaneously. But this also increases the amount of processing by the CPU and the RSP. Please test both definitions to check the effect of the number of voices. If compiled without any changes, the number of virtual voices becomes 32. I have no control over this, so it just kind of happens. This honestly sounds like something that would have came from an actual game, not gonna lie. God damn it, I didn't get the map. Alright, well, I'm gonna move on from this. Wow, as soon as I say it, the freaking sound just fades out. What is this? Crashing? Oh. This is like the same thing, isn't it? Play sequence dot audio. The sample program play sequence modified to support N_audio. Oh, okay. I don't really know what the difference is. Oh, and we get shit that crashes. Yay. Kill the net. I'm sorry, that line just sounds really funny. Kill the net. They're evil people. What's this one? And it crashed. God damn it. Here we go again with the list of crashes. Okay, this one's called Sound Monkey. I have no fucking idea what's even happening. This honestly sounds like it was made by monkeys. Alright, I'm moving on. Does this one crash? No. This one's called Sprite, but what do you mean Sprite? I don't see anything. This one might not work properly, but it doesn't crash. Let me see. Nothing in Notepad, so nothing to really say about this. Unless I can do something on the controller. Oh! Oh. Oh, you can do something. You can deform the box with the D-pad and move it with the stick. Wow. Very revolutionary. Oh, you can slowly manipulate with the C-stick. Oh, wait, what? Wait, how did I do that? Oh, the A button does that. And then the start button resets it. Huh. That's weird. I can crop. Bye-bye. Oh, now it's just 1 pixel. Alright, what's Sprite Monkey DX? Please work. Oh, yeah, it does work. What the hell? What? Oh, there's that picture again. Oh, I can deform the picture this time. Good. Picture of lightning, apparently. Whoa. A road. And then that. Alright. This one is called SRAM test. I don't know if there's anything I can do here. Doesn't appear to be. Anything in Notepad? Nope. Then I'm moving on. And it crashed. Alright. What? Okay, this one's called Terrain. Oh god. Pulling the stick all the way just moves it fast. Oh. Dang, the C stick did something. Huh. What is this, a terrain generator or something? Very big. It looks really stupid. Uh-oh. It's just barely showing on the camera. Oh god. Go back to smallular. Wait, what? Wait, what? What's happening? Oh my god, Sparrow. This terrain does not exist. And then Schnick joins. No, why did Schnick redact the message? He made a fucking SpongeBob reference and he's like, no, I'm not keeping this. Oh! Why? Why am I allowed to do this? Why? It just looks super retarded. Oh shit, Sparrow's correcting Schnick? Oh. Schnick is doing it intentionally. I don't even know how to make this anywhere normal. I don't think I can. I think it's borked forever. Alright. I'm gonna reset. There we go. Whoop. Jesus. How long does it go? Oh, you made a typo the first time. Okay. Is Nintendo cracking down on this leak like how Sony is cracking down on The Last of Us 2 leaks? So far, there has been no cracking down from Nintendo. Oh, I can press the D-pad and it does stuff. Alright. Moving on. This one's called Text Light. Scale object with joystick. Oh dear God, why is it so fast? Oh. I can move it. Call the genie. Alright. Does this one work? No. Hey, wait a second. Wait, this was called Tile Rect 2D. This looks awfully familiar, don't it? Apparently pressing left on the shoulder pad or button resets the camera to that. Anything on my notepad about this? Because it'd be interesting to know what kind of use this was supposed to have here. And it doesn't appear that there's anything here. Well, not really much to be said here other than this picture looks very familiar. So this one is called Tile Rect 3D. Oh God. If you push the stick all the way, this happens. Christ. Oh, pressing the right stick resets the camera. Oh, you can change the picture. Oh, this is like a weird globe here. Can we find the US? It's like low budget Google Maps. Where do you want to go? Where? Oh, and we're back to this image. Oh, you can make it softer. or more pixely. I don't really know why that really matters, but like it doesn't even change that much of the picture. I've already shown Top Gun, which would have been the next one. This one's called Tron, and it works. Whoa, hey! Actual Tron, except you can't do anything. Oh wait, yes you can. Oh, is that it? You just die and then that's it? Oh. Reset. Wait, what? It didn't do anything. I have to reopen the ROM? Oh, it's back. I gotta emphasize the raspiness. Pixely! Oh god. Well, this is Tron, apparently. Wee-hoo. So you can change the direction by pressing R, but you can't change the direction to the area you want it. Like, it just does it by itself. Nothing in the notepad, which is very unfortunate. Alright, the last one's called Voice. Or at least the last one in this folder. Okay, holy shit. No, OBS is having stroke again. Oh, is it good now? Okay. Anyways, so this better have something in the notepad, and it doesn't look like it does. Are you fucking kidding me? Out of all the things that I would want an explanation for, this one doesn't have an explanation on it. What the fuck? Okay. Let's see. Maybe there's like something specific I'm supposed to be doing here. Nothing about a microphone option so far. Yeah, no. I don't think there's anything I can do with this. I think what I'm supposed to be doing here is I'm supposed to have like a N64 microphone thing. The same kind of setup you would have for Hey You Pikachu. That's my guess. But, I don't really see how I'm supposed to set it up on here because I don't really see any options for a microphone. So that sucks. I'm gonna look around in other folders, see if there's anything else I can mess around with. But I don't really think there's much else. Uh, it's referring to the actual A button on the controller. Because if I press other buttons, nothing happens. Only the A button does something here. What the hell? Okay, this is called NN Sample 1. What is even happening? Well, that's interesting. Can't really do much else than that. Oh wait, I pressed start. What is happening? Oh, I can manipulate this with sticks. Pressing the A button just makes a sensor sound. Why? That's stupid. Alright, well, it's not much here. But that was interesting. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I've heard of people saying that there was something that looked like a prototype for Star Fox 64. And I think that's what people might have been referring to. Though, no actual evidence towards such claim. Just mere speculation. What? This one's called New Snake. N-U-S-N-A-K-E. What? What the hell? Okay. Oh, what? Okay. This one's weird. Oh god, what the fuck? Ah, it's so loud. I think OBS is okay now. Again. Yeah, we seem to be live. Fucking OBS broke again. God damn. How annoying. Anyways, yeah, if you don't fucking do anything, then when the timer runs out, it's a draw game. So yeah, all in all, I don't really see what the point of the game is. You just kind of fucking shoot your tails and then that's it. Oh, it's a demo that looks like the same thing we had earlier. Okay. Oh, it didn't crash my emulator, but it just didn't work. Oh, and then something else crashed instead. Is there even... Okay, I'm gonna look and see if there's anything we might have missed that probably could work. Or see if there's anything here. Oh, I'm apparently getting a call from some fucking asshole from some place that I'm not gonna answer. Could be a fucking scammer for all I care. Anyways, trying to read another notepad file here, and not really much is said about New Snake or New Mirror, which New Mirror is just Mirror House. Yeah, honestly, I don't really think there's anything else. Alright, yeah. I think that's all the N64 stuff I have to show off. So, oh god, OBS is having another stroke. Okay. I think now I'm gonna move on to the Pokemon stuff. There's not really a whole lot of Pokemon stuff to show off, to be honest, because most of it is just demos from Gen 4 games, and the other generations, it's either stuff we've already seen, or there's just not much to really show. But this is also coming from someone that doesn't really have a lot of experience about fucking these specific builds of these games. Like, I believe a couple of the builds I have are supposed to be debug builds for Red and Blue, the first gen games. But, I don't really know much about them to really give it much of an analysis. or really probably just show off anything interesting about it. So, I guess I'll check to see if I can even do anything specific here. Wait, where's the game file at? Oh. Okay, I'll check real quick just to see if I can do anything at all. Oh, I broke this thing, apparently. Also, yeah, someone tried calling me. I don't know who. Oh, this isn't even displaying properly. God damn it. There. Alright, so as I was saying, yeah, I'm just gonna check something here real fast. Ugh. Protomon Blue? I don't know what Protomon Blue is. Is there anything here? Yeah, I don't see any notes other than some password thing, which I don't know what that's referring to. So, not really much in Gen 1 from what I know of, but there is something that I do think is interesting, slightly. Again, not much, but where's the... Oh, it's right there. I just completely missed it. So this ROM is the most interesting out of all the Gen 1 stuff I've seen myself. Or wait, no it's not. I just realized I'm stupid. It was a different ROM I was talking about. But there is there something here? I forget. Never mind, I'm fucking stupid, but, okay, before I go to the actual ROM I was referring to, look at the sprite here of my trainer. That's what the trainer looks like typically. Now I'm gonna go to the actual thing I was talking about. I believe it's this one. Okay, this is very interesting because this is apparently green version of Pocket Monsters. I don't think this logo was ever used in a final version of the game, but it's also a really fucking badass logo. Like, holy shit. Also, I think there's some weird sprites in the title screen at some point. Oh, there's one. I don't remember that being in the game. There's Pikachu, normal, as usual. And then there's this thing. I don't think that one looks like how it usually does. Alright. So there's that, but then we go in here. And then boom. Trainer Sprite is not the same at all. And then, I think everything else is pretty much the same, from what I know of. So yeah, that's basically Gen 1. Again, not really much to show off, because I don't really think there's anything spectacular from just what I know of, at least. Oops. Okay. Proto Ash. Technically, it would be Proto Red, though. Okay, so I'm just gonna double check. Gen 2, I believe, is just the same thing that we've had before. Like, we have the Space World demos, and not really much going on there. I think there's some other stuff that got leaked too, but the Space World demos, I'm pretty sure we've already had like a while back, so that's not anything new. And then for Gen 3, oh, you know what? I don't think I ever actually looked at any of this. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay. I need to go back a sec. Really? I did this again? Oh my god. Why is it like that? Oh, because part of it was off screen, apparently. Wait, does this even support? Oh yeah, it should support GBA. Okay, well apparently there's Gen 3 stuff that I didn't even look at last night. So we're gonna look at that right now. instead of going on the DS stuff like I thought it was. Like a fucking demo version of Red Rescue Team on the GBA. Demo version to be played for 10 minutes only. I'm just skipping this text. This is basically just the intro of the game. There's not really anything different here as far as I'm aware of. Except, you can't actually name your characters or your team whatsoever. Like, okay, that's for the name. I'm assuming at this point the actual full game would be like, enter your name here. But no, completely skips it. Just names your player Pikachu. So, while we're going through this, and this is about to finish up, there's also a Mystery Dungeon Blue Rescue Team demo for the DS. Doesn't seem like this is gonna play the same. That's interesting. So, the thing about the differences in the two demos is that, I don't know if it's just by chance, but, the Blue Rescue Team demo on the DS had this weird thing where at the beginning of the game, every floor just had the stairs right in the area you fucking start off at. Which pretty much made it really fast to just play. How do I get my moves here? Okay, pressing select does that. Pressing start does fuck all. I don't know how to get my moves, so I'm probably gonna... Oh, what? Okay, that's really weird. I did it. Uh-oh. Die. Haha! I learned how to kill more efficiently. Haha! Oh, there's the stairs. Yeah, we're just going straight to it. Oh, there's the stairs again. What you got leveled up? Okay. And dungeon's over. So yeah, presumably this GBA would be a kiosk demo kind of setup. So imagine just playing it, but you only have 10 minutes. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's right, it does this. Yeah, imagine reading all that text, but you realize that all that text is eating up the short 10 minutes you have. Oh my god. So much fucking text. Yeah, this demo, in retrospect, really sucks because of the fact that it's just a bunch of story and you barely have gameplay. So you can either spend the 10 minutes playing the first dungeon or spend the 10 minutes fucking literally... I'm trying to do that game. You can spend the 10 minutes either playing the first dungeon or the 10 minutes reading the story. And it's probably going to cut me off pretty soon. Oh, there's that Nidoran. I don't know why I put start there. Wait, what? What happened? Okay. The Pokemon was just kind of fucking off there. Oh no, screw that. Oh, there it goes. 10 minutes. And then there's another thing here. So this is probably just going to be in a completely different language. It says it's a German debug ROM of Pokemon Ruby, so I don't know if I'll be able to really access anything interesting. Yeah, it's a different language. God damn it. There's the GameCube. Das ist ein Nintendo GameCube. Ein Game Boy Advance something controller. Okay. Clock. I don't think it really matters. What? Why are you talking to me? Okay. Trank. Oh, Bean! Bean! Schnell! Komm schnell! Okay, can I do anything here? What? Okay. Yeah. I don't think there's really anything I can do to show anything interesting, so I'm gonna move on. Okay, we're gonna move on to Gen 4 for real this time. Okay, so for Gen 4 we have a few different options. There are a couple of different Pokemon Diamond demos. One of them is a kiosk demo, which is very, very short for some reason. It's a very short demo. And then the other one, it's probably... Oh, whoa. Why did my phone vibrate really hard there? Anyways, the other Diamond demo is probably the same thing as the other stuff that we've seen, where it's in a different language and it's probably a debug version, but I won't be able to access much of anything. So, there's also a couple other demos for a couple of other different games. Like, for instance, once again, we have the Mystery Dungeon. Sorry, I need to increase the size for myself here. I also find it interesting that the Game Boy demo is red and then this DS version is blue. But there's no version for both for some reason. I'll just go through this real fast. I'm not even going to play through it. I'm just going to show that this is pretty much the exact same thing as the Game Boy version, but on the DS. Yeah. Also, the music seems to sound better on the DS, unsurprisingly. Yeah, same deal with this version. Pretty much, it's just gonna let you play for 10 minutes and then cut it off, and there you go. That's the demo. Pokemon Diamond / Pearl Kiosk demo. This one's pretty interesting. I'm gonna have to reset the game a couple times to show why specifically it's interesting, but let's look at it. The intro on the title is different. Doesn't even have that glamorous intro sequence on the actual full version. Also, keep a note, right now it's Pearl version, right? So yeah, the demo literally starts out with the game's rivals showing you, well, quote-unquote, showing you around, which doesn't really happen. So the game forces you to go towards the right. You go towards the right, and then this guy stops you and gives you the swatch thing. Now, in Diamond and Pearl, the touchscreen has a lot of Pokétech stuff, and you'd think a demo would show this off better, but no, it actually doesn't show crap. The Pokétech demo literally sucks because it's just the clock, and that's it. That's all you get, just the clock. It's stupid. You get 3 Pokemon, Lucario, Mime Jr., and Rosalia. Depending on what the game decides to show, either Diamond or Pearl, it doesn't change the Pokemon or the moves. I think your character will also be named differently depending on the version it shows. So for instance, right now it's showing Pearl. I believe the character will be referred to as Pearl later on in the demo. But, if it's Diamond, then it'll show it as Diamond. And I'm just gonna reset. This might take a couple resets, but, the weird thing is that it seems like sometimes it shows Diamond and other times it shows Pearl. Okay, right now it's showing Pearl again. So we're gonna reset. Wasn't this the generation that turned out so freaking bad at first that they had to remake the whole game? I don't know what exactly was bad about it. Okay, so now it switched to Diamond. It completely switched versions. And this is still the same cart. Or in this case, I guess it would be ROM, but like everything is the same. Nothing has changed. If this was the actual demo cart, it would just be one cart. And it just has both versions on here. It's weird. All I've heard about it is that it's slow. It's slow. What do you mean it's slow? Like the pacing of the story or the gameplay? So I don't really know what you're talking about. Slow. The gameplay? Like, what about the gameplay was slow? Like, was it the frame rate or was it something else? Because I played the original Diamond version on an actual DS using an actual cart, and it played just fine to me. I'm talking about Gen 4. This is literally what people will say about the game. Yeah, this is Gen 4. This is Gen 4 right here. I mean, this is a demo cart, but I mean, I played Gen 4 and it played fine. By the way, this is the first of 3 fights that you... Well, this first fight you have to do, but then the last couple of fights, you can actually just straight up skip. Oh, wait a second. I just realized what you were referring to, slow. You're talking about the animations, aren't you? I think that's what you mean. I think it was the battles. Something about the battles was slow. That's all I remember. If that's what you're referring to, then... I don't know. That's just kind of a personal thing, I guess, for people. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, I was literally just trying to get through this as fast as possible, and I thought the game said it missed, not it was ineffective. So now I realize what it actually said. Oh, I actually played the fucking game. Apparently when you get hit, it takes forever for the health to go down, slowing down the gameplay. Oh, okay. Now, okay. Now I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I've heard of that, and yeah, I mean, the health does go down kind of slow, but I don't really have too much of a problem with it. I mean, it's a little annoying, I guess, but I don't know, I just didn't really care. Though, remaking, well, not remaking, but making a whole separate version, like, I don't even know if it fixed it. I don't really know much about the differences between Diamond, Pearl, and then Platinum. Okay, so yeah, this is what I was talking about. We completed the first of 3 fights, but then the last 2 fights you don't even have to do. So, there's that. All the fights are basically done now. You can't go over to that grass, by the way. The game won't let you. If you talk to the professor of the game, basically it forces an evolution sequence to happen with Rosalia. I guess it's to show, like, oh hey, your older Pokemon in these other regions can evolve in this new region. Look how cool it is. And then there's that. And then if we talk to this character, thank you for playing. We will see you at the launch of Pokemon Diamond and Pokemon Pearl. That is the entire demo. So, let's rush through it just for fun. Also, I thought the demo referred to your character as Diamond or Pearl, but I guess I was wrong. Oh, what? My character changed! Okay, that's... I've never seen that happen yet, until now. That's weird. Oh, wait, no, it does refer to your character differently. Okay, I was right. And that's the entire demo. Literally, not even that long. You beat it in a couple minutes. Especially if you rush through it. And then I think what might be the debug version, just guessing based off of the other generations, because each generation had a debugged version of their respective game, typically in a different language or something. And this is probably the same thing. Also, the date on the bottom is different. It said 2006, but the kiosk demo version said 2007. Oh, I had a save file. Well, whatever, it doesn't really matter. And then we have a Pokemon Tro-Z demo. The leak includes 2 separate versions. It includes an English and a Japanese version. Obviously, I'm going to play the English version. So yeah, there's no story mode. It doesn't let you play story mode. You have to play endless or the training thing. Jesus Christ. Anyways, yeah, the game will just keep going. I don't know if there's even an end to it. And then one more game, Pokemon Dash, which is just another demo. They call it sample version. Like, ooh, sample version. Like, that's so special. I tried playing this, and I don't really like it. I don't think I would like the full version of this game either, to be honest. You can literally pull on the ears and other stuff. Actually, let me check the Discord server. I don't know if this was posted or not. No. Or maybe, actually, I don't know. I'm still looking. No. Okay, never mind. I thought Jesse posted something from last night that he made, but he did not. Well, if he posts a picture where Pikachu's face is just that, then the reason why it was drawn is because I was showing this off to Jesse earlier last night. So, that's kind of why. Also, look at the arm. Anyways. Yeah, I don't really know what's happening on the top screen. Not gonna lie. Oh god. Playing this with mouse sucks, just like every other stylus DS game. Oh no, I clicked out. Oh no! I made the window worse. It's smaller for me now. Oh god. I still didn't get first. Ugh. I don't think I can fix this without having to readjust it on OBS. Oh, maybe I could. Anyways, yeah, I don't like this game. Because at some point the level just gets really confusing and it makes no sense as to what I'm supposed to do. So I just end up kind of saying fuck it. Let's see. So that's basically Gen 4. Oh wait, no it's not. Oh, there's more that I didn't even realize there was more. Okay, hold on. There's apparently another demo I missed. What the fuck is this zip file I have here? Did I not have this exported yet? No. Hold on, I'm waiting for something to extract real quick. Oh, okay, now it's done. Huh. Okay, let's see. Let me just adjust the OBS window here. Yeah. So what version is this? Explorers of Time / Darkness demo. Oh, I see why it was called that. Because apparently in-game it doesn't even have an actual version title. It's just Mystery Dungeon demo. Okay. I haven't played this demo yet because, again, I missed it last night when I was looking at all this, so... Again with Chunsoft. Where's my controller? Right here. Okay. Well, apparently it does have the title for the version. Oh, so it doesn't outright start you off at the very beginning of the game. Huh. That's interesting. So far, it hasn't really said anything about how long the demo would last or anything. It's just starting you off in the game. Does it have the shortcuts in this game? Use set move. I guess I'll have to play this for a bit, see if it runs out in a certain amount of time. Wait, what? Okay, that was really strange. So where's the stairs? Oh, there they are. Man, this dungeon lasted way longer than the first game's demos. Holy shit. Oops. Yep. This is what happens like every in-game day. Oh, that's it? Oh, okay, so I guess they do it slightly differently here. I wonder if the version changes. Oh, it didn't change that time. I'm gonna reset the thing and just check if it changes one more time. Because the file in the leak says time/darkness, so I'm assuming it's like the chaos demo for Diamond and Pearl where it sometimes changes. No? Okay, well, I don't know then. There's also a zip file for a bunch of different pictures of sprites for a bunch of Pokemon. But, it's a lot, and I don't really know if there's any differences in there. So I'm not gonna go through that. Shut. So, for the Pokemon stuff, there's a few different more folders. There's Gen 5, which unfortunately has absolutely fuck all. Literally has nothing. Which is really surprising to me. I thought, like, if Gens 1 through 4 had stuff, surely Gen 5 would have something, but no, there's just absolutely nothing right now. So, that sucks. Gen 6 has one single thing. A fucking picture of... It's a screenshot for early Pokemon X and Y. That's literally the only thing. Let me see if I can show it. It's not popping up. There we go. Here's the screenshot. Basically, the differences here are that, unlike the final version, there's no outlines on the edges of the models. Normally there would be outlines. This HUD here came from black to white to, but the font for the Pokemon's name is different, and there's no gender for the Pokemon. And that's pretty much it. That's all you get for Gen 6, because you apparently couldn't get anything for Gen 5, but Gen 6. Okay, well that was awfully rude of OBS. I was in the middle of trying to talk, but I don't even know how much it showed. I'm checking the stream to see if it even showed that thing. I was trying to show you the picture for Gen 6. Okay, it showed the picture for Gen 6. Okay. Anyways, what I was trying to say was the distribution ROMs that have been leaked. So you could put these ROMs on a flash cart, and you could have a DS that will distribute certain Pokemon that were only supposed to be available for a specific time period. And how you can go about doing this is, well, if you already have it on the flash cart, that is. How you can go about getting it to work, since if you try to just run the ROM with today as the setting, then the fucking ROM will be like, nope, you can't do this anymore. You're not in the right time anymore. It's over. But if you change the settings on the DS to have it that specific time frame that the Pokemon was being distributed, then it will work. And you'll get your fucking special Pokemon. So, no more do you have to be in that specific time period just to get it. You can just cheat it. So, yeah, I found that really interesting. I think for right now, that is a good enough stream to have to show off a bunch of stuff. There is some more stuff here and there, but mainly it's just pictures of like sprites and whatnot. If I find anything else, then I might end up showing it off later. With House of Mirrors, or Mirror House, or whatever it's called, I'll end up doing some more stuff with it later on. And other than that, right now I got some videos I'm currently in the middle of making, specifically just montages of stuff I've recorded. And hopefully those will be out soon. And yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed fucking me trying to get through this shit, and most of the N64 demos not even working.